Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2013 Captiva. The Chevy Captiva is the newest fad in town. Expected soon to be reckoned as the walking icon, Chevrolet has yet another classy creation waiting in the store for you. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.